G'day folks, got this old barn find TRX300 which I've got going again, put a new CDI unit. It's 1988 model, so it's a DC CDI, and put a new Carby on it as well, and actually got it going. Bought a new Carby for it, and got a couple of pics of it there. Not exactly the same, only a couple of small differences. The fuel inlet being one, coming in from a different direction, comes from the top on the new one, not from the side. And the choke valve was a little bit different as well. Other than that, the Carby sort of seems to be pretty good for a Chinese rip-off. That's the original choke valve, and that's the new one. Ended up using the new one in it, and that's me giving it a little bit of a fine tune-up. I hardly had to touch anything at all, just had to adjust the idle speed down a little bit. It was revving just a little bit too hard. Didn't have to touch the mixture. I was very happy with the result. So yeah, you can see me there giving it a final rev. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you get some use out of it. Cheers.